flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. So guys, before we get into this video, I do want to apologize for how I sound. I'm getting sick again for some odd reason. So yeah, but in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a vision board. I have one on my channel already. I did a digital vision board last year for this year, I think it was. But today we're going to be doing like a physical vision board. But I am going to show y'all where I find my pictures at, and how I make my like collage to actually make my vision board. So yeah, so I'm going to be screen recording. So I'll put it right here on this side. So yeah, we should start screen recording in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so the first app that I use is Pinterest. And then on Pinterest, I just search up like, say for instance, if you want to be an entrepreneur, you would just search entrepreneur ideas or quotes, and they have like all of these different templates, like starting a business, 50 small business ideas, like this is really cute, scan to pay. Let's see. Anyways, they just have like a lot of templates that you guys can choose from if you're interested. So you don't necessarily have to do like entrepreneur ideas. You could do entrepreneur quotes. Like this says, I am aligned with my purpose. Yo, I sound really, really like, my throat is hurting. So yeah, this quote is cute. Never too young to start an empire. Never too old to chase a new dream. So, BYOB, be your own boss. So yeah, I'm going to save that one to my phone. So yeah, they have some really, really, really cool ones. This is one, entrepreneur is giving you like the definition of that. You're the CEO of your life. They have some really nice quotes here, entrepreneur quotes or templates, whatever you want to call. I recently applied for my passport, and I just got it like last month. So I'm wanting to travel more. So you can use like this picture here. So yeah, I already have my pictures chosen. I'm gonna try to not like make this video too long, because I am tired, but I wanted to go ahead and make my vision board before 2022 is over with. So yeah, they have tons of vision boards. This is really passport like photos. This is really cute, the pink. So yeah, I want a new vehicle next year. Like I want a truck, and I was looking into like getting a Tahoe. So let's see. And they just bring up all these different Tahoes. Like this is nice, very expensive but nice. This one here, I think I saved that one. They just have like tons and tons of things. So I already have my pictures chosen, so I'm gonna go into my photos. So I did do the BYOB, be your own boss. I chose this passport photo, and it just has to have Starbucks in it because I love Starbucks. So what a coincidence. And then there's another passport photo. There's another passport photo. I wasn't sure like which one I wanted to use. There's a Tahoe. So this one says focus on your goals, baby girl, because this year here, 2022, I didn't focus on any of my goals at all. I was more focused on everybody else. This one says make yourself a priority, which is something I really, really, really need to do. So I advise you guys and you girls to make yourself a priority if you haven't been like doing so, because it's worth it. You're worth it. And then this one says stop, just exist and start living. Speaks to me, resonates with my soul entirely. This one says stay close to people who feel like sunshine. So these are all the ones that I chose. And then this one here, I want to reach 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers next year. So yeah, I have all of those. And then this is like pertaining to my business. I want my business to expand, to pick up, and I hope to actually retire or make YouTube my full-time job and also my side hustle. I pray that they both become my full-time jobs. And that way I don't have to get up and go to somebody else's job and work a 9 to 5. So yeah, and then I have this: God is my first priority, because it's just time for me to get closer to God. So yeah, I have all of my pictures. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you what I go to. The second app that I use is Canva. Okay, so technical difficulties, but we're back. And what I like to use is Instagram stories. Now, if there's something else that you like to use, you could do that. So at the very top up here, you see like for you, docs, whiteboard, social media, presentations. I always just hit social media, and then I hit Instagram. You'll see popular: Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn. And then down here, you'll see Instagram post, Instagram story. I'll choose Instagram story, and then it'll bring up different templates, but I'm just going to choose the blank one. Like, you can choose any of these. These are really cute, though. Yeah, that's really cute. So I'm just going to choose the blank one. And then once it pops up, I'm going to go to camera roll. And all my pictures that I saved off of Pinterest are right here. So what we're going to do is I'm going to choose God is my priority. So what you do is, and you crop this to whatever size you want it to be. I'm going to try to leave some space in between mine because I'm going to be cutting this out. And I'm going to be putting it on my actual like board. And then let's see, we're going to do this one because I really want my YouTube to blow up. We're going to add this because I'm really, really determined that my business is going to soar. Let's see here. And then you just continue doing what you do. You just continue to add your pictures. I really want a new vehicle, preferably a truck. So, and then the next one I'm going to choose is I am a millionaire because I am going to possibly make YouTube my full-time income and my side business my full-time income. Y'all, my phone ran out of storage. So yeah, let's get started. So, okay, I'm about to turn my screen record back on. But yeah, I don't know where I left off at, but I think the last thing I did was I put I'm a millionaire on here. And these are not all of my templates. So what I did was I saved that one. So it should be in my photos. So I'm just going to go in and make a second one. Yeah, it's in my photos. I'm going to go make another one and finish up with the pictures that I didn't use. So yeah, I'm just going to finish this one up and then I'll come back and show you how I print it off. Okay, y'all, so this is the like poster board I'm going to put my pictures on for my vision board. I got this from the dollar store. So yeah, it was only like $1. I have all of my pictures saved. So what I'm going to do is I go in, I'm not going to screenshot this, but I go into photos and I'm going to print this out. So you guys are going to hear like this weird noise for a second. So it says contacting my printer. I think it's still set up. So we're going to print both of my vision boards out and then I'll show you what I'm going to do next. Okay, y'all. So I have my vision boards, or my pictures printed off for my vision board, and I may put some more on tonight. So what I do is I just take some scissors and cut them out one by one. So I'm probably going to speed this up so you guys don't have to sit here and look at me cut up boring pieces of paper.
Your skin, just the touch.
hopefully you guys can see, and I'm about to hurry get done this because my voice keeps going in and out. But here's my vision board, or poster board, whatever you want to call it. So what I do is I just take my hot glue gun. I don't do anything perfect. Like, I'm going to put more things on here. But what I do is, I guess I'm not perfect. I just take like, I put like some glue in certain spots. And just take my first paper, my first picture, and y'all, that hot glue is hot too. When I say it's hot, I mean it's hot. So I'm just gonna do that for all of these. And like I said, I'm gonna put more. I'll probably print out more photos because I don't have a lot right now. So I am a millionaire.
She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that you'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Somebody said, don't be afraid of loving yourself, 'cause that is all you got in the end. You got in the end. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is.
Okay guys, so I am finally done with my vision board. And I can honestly say that I am proud of myself. It may look tacky to you or some of y'all, but you know, it is what it is. Like I said, I got this poster board from the dollar store. It was only $1. So here's my vision board. You guys can see that. I cut my picture up right there. I didn't mean to. I may redo it. I don't know. But yeah, here's my vision board. So a little overview. This one says future with money, because this is, I plan to be like a money magnet. I plan to just have a lot of money and not be greedy, but just have a lot of money and be able to take care of myself and my family and other people as well. And then I put, I am a millionaire, because I plan on becoming a millionaire. So these two pictures go like side to side with each other. And then this is for my business, because I have a cosmetic business. I typically sell just lip gloss, eyebrow and eyelash serum. I think I'm going to incorporate body butter. So this is how I want my business to be in the future. Next year, I want it to be overflowing with orders, and it will be. This one says, if God is everything you have everything you need. John 14:8. And I put this scripture in because 2023 is the year that I need to get closer to God. I should have been, but you know how things are. So I plan on reading a Bible verse every morning, reading my Bible every morning, every night, and a verse throughout the day. So this is just here to help me as well. I want to reach 4,000 watch hours for my YouTube and 1,000 subscribers next year. And that is a goal of mine. I plan to do that by being more consistent. And then I want a new, I want to travel more. I recently just got my passport. So yeah, and then I thought that was cute with the Starbucks because I love Starbucks. And then this one here says God is my priority. So that one pretty much typically goes with this one. I'm going to make God a priority in my life. He pretty much is, but I need to get stronger with him. This next one is me wanting a new vehicle, typically a Tahoe or some type of SUV. So that's there. And then this one says focus on your goals, baby girl. And that is for me, I believe, because like I said, I put my business on the back burner because I was just really negative and thinking nobody wants to buy from me. Everybody is selling the same things and, so this year is all about me. So I'm going to focus on my goals. I also want to buy me a house. I hope to buy me a house next year. If not, at least prepare to buy a house the following year. I want to get everything in order. And then this one, you can't really see it, but it says, stop just existing, start living. So yeah. And then this one here says, stay close to people who feel like sunshine. So stay close to people who feel like sunshine. Stay close to people who are happy, who are positive, who bring out the best in you. So yeah, that is basically it for my vision board. And then I just wrote here my 2023 vision board. Nothing special, but it just looks cute to me. So yeah, this is it. So yeah, this is my vision board for 2023. If y'all haven't created a vision board, I would advise you to. I mean, you don't have to, but it was really cool creating this, and just to have something that you could see and look at every day and just go by and try to accomplish and reach your goals is amazing. So I challenge everybody to make a vision board for whatever you need it to be. So yeah, this is the end of my video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to like, comment down below, subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so you won't miss it when I post another video. And yeah, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said before, I do apologize. I'm a little under the weather, so I do sound kind of crazy. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I look forward to seeing you in the next coming year, and I look forward to making more videos. I hope you guys continue to subscribe to my channel and continue to watch my videos, and I hope you guys have a wonderful 2022 year, and may 2023 be the best year ever for you and your family. And as always, I love you guys, and have a wonderful last day of 2022.